The rest of the day in the pool because we leave tomorrow morning, I believe, and we're going back to Bangkok. So we took a vacation from our vacation, basically, and yeah, made about $3,700 last night. So we should be able to go ahead and extend our stay for an extra week or so. It's nothing. Let's go. You gotta love this Boss for What lifestyle. Hey, if you are part of the movement, you've been rocking with the movement, or you're brand new to the movement, jump down in the description below. Grab your shirts, grab your hats, grab your backpacks, because Boss for What is a movement, ladies, and it's a lifestyle. So let's get it. All right, so we just got to Phuket, Thailand. About to take a vacation from the vacation, and this is our room. Let's go. Nice little room. Instagrammable, you know. Waterfall showers. Give you that look that you've been looking for. Oh yeah. Nice little setup. Right here we got the bedroom. Nice little view out here. Get to see the whole resort for the most part. Got a pool right here. Got a pool up there on that side. And we got a pool in this building on the rooftop. Infinity pool. You can actually see somebody in the pool right now. But yeah, so this is the room. Nice little room. Then we got the little couch area. A little TV. We got the balcony for the views. We can come out here and relax. Get that tan that you always wanted. I don't need no damn tan. I'm dark enough. But I look good though. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Got the pool bar going on, swim up bar, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we lit. Vacation from a vacation. So we was in Bangkok for about a week, then decided we wanted to go to Phuket and test it out. So we got on another airplane, came here. Now we're here for a couple of days, checking it out, enjoying the views, enjoying the water, relaxing. We don't have to go back if we don't want to. It's a wrap. We good. Let's go. Yo, AC gang, we back at the main hotel in Bangkok. We had fun in Phuket and it was cool while it lasted, but we back in the main hotel in Bangkok. And yeah, more living time.
Somebody say, hey, what's your alarm clock? My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy Young Cash. Give a shout out to AcesBlackstar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
Let's go. We don't have as nice view as we did in Phuket because it's really just like the city. You ain't getting to no beach here if I can open the door. But you can kind of see what's going on in the city. Immediately, my camera fogged up. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. This is the main room. Got people chilling on their phone right here. Nice little TV area, whatever. We got stuff everywhere. Got that guy in the bathroom. Still waterfall, showers and all of that kind of stuff. You know, the norm here. Seems like. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know we back in action, back ready for these city streets of Bangkok, and we might actually go apartment shopping tomorrow, so stay tuned. All right, so I don't know what day it is, but we about to head to the movies right now. It's Friday. I don't know what movie we're gonna see exactly, and what theater. We're thinking about the couch theater or the bed theater, the VIP, all of that kind of stuff. So I'll tune back in once we actually get there and pick them. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do. Waiting on this lift right now. Uber or boats, they call it. Boats. Let's go. All right, we at the movie theater right now. We are about to check out Inside Out. So I'll let you see what their experience is like. It's actually inside the mall. We got the VIP stuff. So it comes with the snacks, all of that kind of stuff. And we got to go to the 8th floor. So we're about to go up. First class. So we're going. This luxury. So this is the first class experience. This is what it's about. Y'all get a picture. Get in front of it. Okay. All right, so here we are. It's that first class experience, boy. Ain't no games. She chilling.
The food and beverage include the ticket already. Okay.
So you get food and stuff that you can eat, snack on before your movie starts. Cookies, drinks, all of that is included when you get the VIP. So let me put my bag down so we can grab some snacks. So here is this is the little stuff that you get. I mean, it's unlimited, but you get the snack until your movie starts. So this is what the VIP experience looks like here in Thailand. Would you come to the movies here? All right, y'all. So they have a meal of the day every day, and this is one of their meals of the day in the VIP section. And this is how it comes. The presentation is magnificent, ladies and gentlemen. They put your silverware in a plastic bag or whatever you want to call it, a little baby napkin right here. Let's just see how it tastes though. Help a brother out. Y'all see I'm using one hand. Jesus Christ. Let me get some to the Buffalo family. Go ahead. Check it for AC, hand on the shoulder. Black Star, make a real don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over. Check it for AC, hand on the shoulder. Black Star, make a real don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC baby, go and do the most. Twerk.